In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Gable boxes or favor boxes in Silhouette Studio. Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sam and welcome to the Ellie Rose Party Designs community where we talk about everything to do with party decorations and how to make them in Silhouette Studio, PicMonkey, Photoshop, Canva, and so much more. And also coming up soon is how to create and grow your online business from scratch. So make sure you stay tuned for those coming soon. All right, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, well, if you guys have been following along with my channel, you will know that I have done about 4 or 5 other videos of templates that I have just added recently to my shops and how to actually use it in Silhouette Studio. So please feel free to check out those videos. I'll link them down below. That'll give you a lot more insight into all the other options that you can do in Silhouette Studio using all my templates that I have. I think I've got cupcake topper templates, I've got popcorn boxes, I have got water bottle labels and thank you tags, and now I'm going to be doing Gable boxes, and in the near future I will have some more other ones. So they are really simple and very easy to use. Silhouette Studio can be a bit overwhelming for some people, so I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys, and I find that my templates are definitely a great idea to help you guys out. All right, so we are obviously in the front screen of my my software, or the software Silhouette Studio. Now mine might look a little bit different to yours because I do use the business edition, okay, but you can do the exact same things in the same templates, using the same templates with the other software that you would have. Okay, so first thing is we want to make sure that we have our canvas to the right size. We go to page setup. You go to your size of your paper and click on to whatever size that you're wanting to use, that you would print with normally, and change the orientation to portrait. Okay, so once that's done, let's now drag in our template. So your template is going to look something similar to this here. It's a one file, it's a PNG file, and all you would do then, once you've obviously downloaded it, you're going to click onto that and you're going to drag it into your design. The other way you can do it obviously is to go into your library, find where you want to save it, which would normally be, for me, would be under my templates. Right click, let's just drag that and straight into our template folder, which will be there. All right, so the next thing you would then do is then click on to your design. It's just taking a few seconds. There it is there. You would right click that and open it, but I have already dragged it in there. Okay, so now it can be a little bit fiddly if you're wanting to do so many different designs and that, but it can also be really easy. Now, obviously, there are 2 sides to your box, so you want to obviously print this out twice so you can use it twice, of course. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is click on to our shapes, and I'm going to make a square. And I'm going to use, once again, the same I'm going to be using the same theme as I've done with all the others, and that was a superhero theme. All right, so let's go over here, and I am actually going to make it. No, I lie. Let's go back here. I'm going to make this just one color. Let's make this, say, a red. Okay, and then let's bring you in and see how we are looking. Right click, bring to the front. All right, I'm liking that. Now, before you go any further, you need to remember that these templates you can't actually use with your cutting machine because it's a PNG file. All right, so you can do it as a one color template if you want to, like that, or the other option is, which I'll show you. So let's go here, and I'm going to duplicate you. And I'm going to go into my library and I'm going to change this color. Let's right click and I'm going to open that. So let's go back here, and there it is. So that has changed now to my digital paper. So all I'm going to do now is let's rotate that way. You can obviously change this to a landscape size so you can kind of work it out a bit better. It's up to you. All right, so let's just bring you there. I am going to bring you in there and drag you to the front. Okay, and then all I'm going to do now is just slice this off so you don't actually get to see that part there. And there, and there. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but I just like to do it so that it's kind of out of the way. And I'm just going to make you a little bit smaller. Okay, so you can even just like have one section one color and the other section another color. What you can also do is go here. You can change that color to match the same color as what's on the other digital paper. Okay, let's just bring you back up there. She's about there. All right, and then what you can do now is then just add in whatever you want to. So let's add in some clip art. Let's go with you. All right, right click and merge you onto the page. All right, now it is a JPEG file because it's got a white box. So all we're going to do is click onto the trace panel and let's just trace you out. And just bring you up all the way to about there and hit trace and detach. And take you and delete and just make sure that all the other pieces are stuck together, which it looks like it has. So let's just bring you down there and let's... Okay, so then you can just pretty much place your clip art wherever you want. Now remember that this part here is going to be folded downwards, so you're not going to see it. So I don't mind that it's kind of overlapping. It actually looks pretty cool. All right, so or you can actually have it up there, whatever you want. Let's just go with that then. All right, so I am then just going to add in my child's age and probably just put in the different children's names. Okay, so let's go here. And let's add in the font that I've been using, which is this one here. And I'm going to put in number 6. And let's drag you up all the way to about there. And let's change the color to say, let's go with like this blue here. And then let's do the same thing with that blue there. Okay, and then I'm just going to do an offset around that. So let's just pop in a offset. For those of you that don't know what offset is, it's just a white box that goes around it. And let's make that white and white. I apologize if I'm going too fast for some of you guys, but I do have a lot more videos that can help you down below that goes into more detail with everything. Okay, now I've got a whole bunch of little goodies here that I need to delete. All right, so all we're going to do now is rotate that, and let's bring you into, let's see, let's have you about there. Actually, I want to make you a little bit, let's make you a little bit smaller. Alrighty, and then now let's just add in the child's name. So I'm going to go with the same thing, and I'm going to put in, say, Sean. All right, and then let's add, so you can personalize these with any name you want, or your child's happy, you can put happy birthday or your child's name, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. All right, so let's go here and let's make that 50. It's always great to do an offset because it makes it stand out just a little bit more. Okay, and then you want to group that. Sorry, I've got things going all over the place there. Let's just delete those. That's all stuff from previous. Okay. Alright, so let's just bring you back here. Alright, highlights, group it together. Let's just turn you around and pop you there. And there we go. So you can make these Gable boxes to any theme you want, any colors you want. And they're really quick and easy to make, like I've said in all my previous videos. But once again, you can't use these templates with your cutting machine, so you have to print these by hand. So if you are printing out, you're wanting to cut out this part here, you kind of got to just like bend it slightly and then snip it and then cut around it. Okay, so there, that is a little bit fiddly to do. Even maybe just, yeah, I'm not sure exactly how you would do it without damaging the box too much, but what I've done in the past is just kind of like folded it slightly and gave it a snip and then snipped it around it that way. Alrighty, or even use an X-Acto knife too, like have a some type of board and then use the X-Acto knife around it. All right, but yeah, so that literally took me I don't even know how long we've been filming for, but it's very quick and easy to make. And you can, if you're wanting obviously a larger box, all you need to do is just drag the template and make it larger that way. Okay, but that is it. And then all you would do is highlight everything and group it together, hit file, and I would print it out. Okay, or make sure that your printing page size is obviously set up correctly, and then hit print to PDF or print to your computer, print to your printer. All right. Yep, so that's it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and that you will give it a go, and feel free to share all your designs with me. I love to see what everyone comes up with. And please do me a favor to like this video, subscribe to my channel, to share it with your friends and family, and let me know what you thought of this video. All right, so until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.